Hello and welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you my 1 week progress on my game called Echo Shot. So, if that is an interest to you, consider hitting like and stick around. This is the second episode in a devlog series, so if you have not seen the first one, I'll leave a link to it in the description below. And if you are new here, consider hitting the subscribe button. It will really help out a lot. Alright, with all that being said, let's get started. Alright, so last week I had basically a character done and not much else. And let's just say stuff didn't go too well. I completely restarted on the entire project, and here's what I guess best way to show it is just to play it and show what I got. Now this is a starter level right here in Unreal if you're not familiar with it. And what this is right here, this is an SMG pickup. Now it really doesn't do anything. It doesn't like actually change the gun you hold, but it's theoretically programmed to be an SMG when you walk over it. Alright, so now let's hit the play button. And as you can see before, you can walk around. And I did change the character up because I wanted it to be a low poly cartoon character. And it shoots, and something I got fixed is now I have angle bounces when the bullets hit the wall. They can now bounce at an angle. So now I want to show you what this SMG pickup does. If I hold down the mouse button, it only shoots once because it's like a pistol. But if I walk over here and pick up this SMG, I'll hold the mouse button down and it shoots a different color laser and it auto shoots them, if you get what I mean. And now if I die real quick, I don't have a main menu set up yet since it's a new project. But I got this basically all done in a week. I also have some levels I finished. This is going to be like level 1 of just teaching you how to play. There's no enemies yet. It's just a basic level. This is level 2. It's just a little bit more complicated than the first one. And if I come right over here, what's really cool that I like is you can actually go under the bullets. So this can lead to a lot of cool new concepts in the future for future levels. As you can see right here, I also have level 3, but I will not be showing that yet until I get more levels done. Alright, so that wraps up devlog number 2 of my 1 week progress of making Echo Shot. So, if you thought it was interesting, consider hitting the like and subscribing. That would really help out a lot. Comment any questions or suggestions below, and I'll get back to them, and maybe I may even include some suggestions into the game. But other than that, I'll see you guys later.